Hello YouTube. Hey DrumFam. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. We got a lot to do today. We have a few things really, not a lot, but they're fun things. So the title of this lesson today is Don't Lose That Groove Coming Out of the COVID Lockdown. Don't lose the groove coming out of the COVID lockdown. So have you been practicing really during this pandemic? Are your wrists ready to go? Because you know things are opening up. Playing opportunities are about to be everywhere. So I hope you've been taking these lessons seriously. I hope you've been ready, because places like Texas have already opened up. Your state's probably next. But before we get to that, you know what I like to do. I like to ask you, click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and guess what? Let's get started. Okay, in today's lesson, I just want to go over three main points with you. The first point I want to go over is playing grooves in the pocket, be ready for gigs. Playing grooves in the pocket, be ready for gigs. So I'm going to demonstrate for you a very, very simple beat, but you can do this with any beat. I'm just trying to keep it simple because I'm trying to really work with my beginners and my intermediate players. But just practice playing a groove for a sustained period of time. Keep it in the pocket, lock the tempo in, and only add fills and things like that for color and flavor. We'll talk about that in the next step though. First step, just a plain, simple beat, lock in that tempo. Here's what it sounds like. The next thing we want to do, the next point, we're going to add fills for color and flavor, like I alluded to right before that last example. So we're going to go back to that same beat that I just played for you, and this time we're going to just add just a couple of fills here and there, maybe a crash or two, but just to kind of give you an idea of just keep it in the pocket, keep the groove going so that you can learn to lock in, and then the band will lock in and feed off you, and then all of a sudden you get that synergy and everything starts really happening. All right, take a listen. Same groove, just a few different things tweaked a little bit. All right. The third point that I want to make with you guys today is to play with accompanying tracks, or play with an accompaniment. Okay, play along with a song. You can Google tracks without drums. You can Google epidemic sound. There's a whole lot of ways you can find some tracks or accompaniment material that you can add your drums to. Okay, and a real cool thing that I just learned recently is that you can actually make your own if you have a DAW. If you have a software program you can actually make your own accompaniment track. So I'm going to play one for you in just a moment and let you see what that looks like. It's really cool. All right, man. So take a listen to this. This is with the accompaniment track. I was just messing around, nothing fancy here, guys, but it was a lot of fun. As a matter of fact, I was inspired to do another video just on making an accompaniment track. All right, so I hope you have it, guys. Check it out. Those are the 3 main points I wanted to talk about with the lesson. I really hope that you enjoyed Pick Up the Pieces at the end. Just kind of embellished on it a little bit, put a few different parts in there. But the groove is what it was all about. So, of course, I didn't play it exactly like the song. I didn't want to. I just wanted to keep it in that same line, but add kind of like my own little flair to it. So again, it's just practicing. I'm just modeling for you so that you'll know how to do it and what it would look like once you do it. So I hope you had a lot of fun playing along with me. Hey, rewind this video, play along with me on Pick Up the Pieces. See if you can catch on to the groove. See if you can catch on when it breaks, and then the groove comes back in. So just use this as a tool, guys. All right. Rimshot Drummer here. Hey, one more thing. Don't forget, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. And guys, hey, thank you for all your support. Share this video with a friend. If you want to support what we do here on this channel, you can join us over on patreon.com. We have more private type lessons over there. More things out of method books and things like that for you that you will enjoy. You can also download the PDFs, okay, to the lessons that we play over there. So, thank you guys. Rimshot Drummer here. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye, guys.